I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the watch face down on a soft cloth, and you stabilize the bracelet with one hand. Once you know the clip type, spring bar, quick release, or fold over, you pick the correct tool and apply light pressure. For spring bars, insert the forked end into the slot and compress the bar inward. For quick release, pull the tiny lever toward the band. For fold-over clasps, unhook the locking tab. Make sure to keep parts contained so nothing rolls away. You next address the middle, trickier steps, removing links or clips that resist. First, follow the small arrows on the band that indicate pin direction and position the bracelet on a support block. Then use a pin pusher or a precision screwdriver to drive pins out gently, applying steady pressure so you don't bend them. Once a pin emerges, pull it with tweezers, separate the link, and set parts aside. If screws are present, turn slowly to prevent stripping. Keep order for reassembly. You finish by reversing the process carefully. Align the link holes, insert the pin or screw, and push or tighten until flush, never force. Once assembled, test the clasp action and check fit on your wrist. Make small adjustments one link at a time. If something feels gritty, loose, or misaligned, stop and reopen the seam to inspect pin orientation. This is the key troubleshooting tip. A misaligned pin causes rubbing and premature wear. Correct it before regular wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.